Hey everyone, and welcome back to more live fire grilling with Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today on another episode of What's Cooking, we are grilling up some grilled steak skewers with mojo rojo. And as always, we'll be sharing this recipe so you guys can try it out for yourselves and let us know what you thought about it down in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get to cooking.
We have had, wow, an epic week. Major repairs. We had a machine down over the bank, actually slid on top of a skid. We had to call mechanics out, bring another machine in just to shuttle parts and tools and mechanics 1.3 miles into the woods where we have no cell phone coverage. Amazingly, and I literally say amazing, we were able to get the machine repaired on site within 1 day and operational. Literally a miracle. So late last night we were able to get out of the woods actually with the machine. And if you had seen it at 2 o'clock with pieces and parts laying all over the place, it really looked impossible, but we did it. Anyhow, so we're here at the grill, and oh, the other thing I didn't tell you was we were in major fights with many townships this week over hauling roads, over permits that we had, and they're telling us that we didn't. And yeah, well, we won. Anyhow, it was a real pain. And especially when you're in the woods and you don't have reception, you have to get, around to a mountain peak just to talk to somebody. They don't answer their phone, you're standing there waiting. It can be very frustrating. But we're at the grill right now. So we are prepared for doing some live fire grilling. We have hickory set up behind us. The grill is getting set up. I have some pieces of hickory on there, and we are nearly ready to barbecue after a very long 6 days in the woods.
As always, we've got to take a trip over to the kiln to see what lumber we've been cooking. And this stuff actually just went in the kiln. We haven't even turned it on yet. It's been air drying for quite some time at the log yard, so its moisture is down really low. But speaking of moisture, we got a brand new moisture meter, and let's just say it's way different than the prong meter we were using before. Prong meters have an inherent problem with them, and that's that they can only measure as deep as the prongs go, and prongs are only like that long, and they can break pretty easy if you're not careful. This thing is not a prong meter. It actually measures it by just laying on the wood, and it can measure really thick stuff, which is way cooler. Way cooler. It's going to give you such a more accurate estimate on the moisture of your wood, which is very important when you're trying to kiln dry, right? So the brand is Wagner Meters. You guys can do your own research if you're interested in learning more about these. We will be showing it off in a future episode. Don't worry, I'm not going to use it right now. Not really that much of a need to before the kiln runs. Except for experimental purposes, I suppose. I really want to use it on like a thick slab instead of just this pine. We'll have to wait for some hardwood, because that's where it gets tricky. So yeah, well, now that you guys see our fancy new moisture meter and what's going in the kiln, let's head back to the grill and right back to cooking. So the meat is out and ready to go on. I've never honestly been so hungry for raw meat because this looks so good. So describe to me, what exactly is mojo rojo, and like what is on this in general?
Mojo rojo is Spanish for red sauce. So this is just a sauce that I made with dried a couple different kinds of dried peppers. I soaked them, mixed them with some garlic and bell peppers, and voila.
So the recipe will of course be in the description. You guys have to try this out for yourself, but I'm not gonna talk too soon because of course I wanna taste this first. But we won't have to wait too long because it's only going to take about 8 minutes. The waiting is over. Let's try this.
Wow, that's really good.
Tastes like Mexican meat.
The seasoning is awesome.
Yeah, it is, Mom. You definitely outdid yourself on that sauce. That was really good.